How to fix your Outlook search not working. So here's one thing you can try to see if it works for you. Now you're gonna have to go to your device's search bar and then you're gonna look up your control panel. You could either do that automatically, but you can search it directly here. So search for control panel and then press on open. You're gonna have to search up the word index. You'll be able to find indexing options. Open that up and then you're gonna have to go to advanced. So once you're in advanced, you're gonna have to press on the rebuild button over here. So doing this will take a long time, unfortunately, but this is one thing you could try to potentially save you more time with searching your Outlook files and whatnot. So just go ahead and press on OK. And once you do that, it's just gonna go ahead and do a progress and indexing progress, and then you're just gonna go ahead and wait for it to finish. So once it's done, you can go ahead and try seeing if your Outlook search now works properly. So that's pretty much one way you could do this process. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.